Good afternoon. Let me show you some other kind of problem this time. This says to find the real solution of x. Here the condition is x to be real, and you have to find the value of x for the equation given x to the power 10 minus x to the power 8 plus 8 x to the power 6 minus 24 x to the power 4 plus 32 x square and minus 48 equal to 0. So, this is the equation given where x you have to calculate for real value of x. So, as you can see that x is decreasing the power of 2, means 10 to 8, 8 to 6. This is a very uniform, but reduction, but not continuous. So, by seeing this you can assume one you can say one kind of trick. You can say that if I put x square equal to something of power 1, so this will convert the equation or the same decreasing order, but continuous. How it will help, I will show you. So, first let me take x square equal to a. So, this will bring this to a to the power 5 minus a to the power 4 plus 8 a cube minus 24 x square a square plus 32 a minus 48. Now, this will be easy to factorize, because when you are seeing this, every terms which is missing in power wise, to adjust that you have to bring that power to adjust the factorization, to do the factorization. Now, here as the power is continuous and on difference of 1, it will be easier to think the factorization. Now, still this is having problem, because you may not know what to bring. So, if you consider on the last term, this can be factorized is 2 into 24 at the. So, there could be so many factors, but if I try with the 2 first, let me check if it is satisfied or not. So, this is a trial, because there is no straightforward method to bring what is could be the probable factor of this. So, let me check with 2. 2 8 to the power 4 if I bring, then there is a minus is only. So, you have to adjust the total quantity. Now, straightaway I will bring 2a cube to maintain the a minus 2 factor, because I am taking 2. So, you have to keep in mind that every bracket it will come like a minus 2. So, keeping in mind, you have to write your term by adjusting the suffix of the variables. So, here it will be I have taken minus 2, it is total is plus 8, so 10 a cube. Then after keeping the same factor, you have to adjust the term as 20 a square. So, total is 24, so 4 a square. Then sign is changing, so you have to adjust with the plus here. So, that would be 8 a. Then after is 32, so here is 24 a, and you see the term is being adjusted easily. Seeing the last time, you can say, because there is no residue on that. So, all along a minus 2 will be a common factor. So, the remaining one will be a to the power 4 plus a cube plus 10a square minus 4a plus 24. So, here you can see two factors multiplied together giving you 0. So, that means either this or this could be 0. Taking this as 0, let me see what could be the answer for x. Now, keeping this a equal to 0, a minus 2 is equal to 0, that means it will give a is equal to 2. So, that means a is equal to a we have taken x square. So, this is a real solution. So, x square is equal to 2. So, here we will get x value is equal to plus minus root 2. So, there are two solutions getting, two values are getting for x. So, these are true because x is not, means there is no condition that I should not consider any of these two because both is possible, both are real. So, plus minus root 2. Let me check for the other part, if this could be 0, shall I get any real solution for that? A to the power 4 a cube plus 10a square minus 4a plus 24 equal to 0. Now, if I say here for any value a greater than equal to 1, I am just dividing the values in boundaries. So, first boundary where a value is greater than, because a cannot be less than 0, as because a have taken x square. If anything less than 0 for any square is usually unreal. So, directly this is nullified. So, a could be either 0 to 1 fraction, or a could be any integer or any fraction which is greater than 1. So, if I take a greater than 1 and if I take the one value, if I put the value on the left hand side, the minimum left hand side I will get 1 plus 1 plus 10 minus 4 plus 24. It will give something which is more than 0. It can be a 0. So, this cannot satisfy the, because I am taking the minimum and minimum is somewhat more than 0, and if I take any further value it will be further more. So, this condition if I take, I will not get any real value of this. Now, come to this where a could be a fraction. So, if a could be a fraction, if you see this part is positive, and this part if I check other part, it is 24 minus 4a. If I change the sign, I take plus here and I will see it like that. So, this is 24 minus, for any value which is between 0 to 1, this value cannot be more than 24. So, this is also positive, this is also positive. That means, the total value of this for 0 to 1, this is also greater than 0. So, for any case, if the value is 0 to any finite value of a, I will not get any real solution out of this equation. So, the only solution I will get is x square equal to 2, that means x equal to plus minus 2. So, here come your solution, x is value of x is real value of x is plus minus root 2. Okay. So, that is all for now. I will come with more such interesting problem in later videos. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and just forward to your groups. Thank you.